What's up, my dudes? Okay. So guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I will be showing you all my slimes. So let's get on to the first one. So guys, this first slime is a glow-in-the-dark one with glitter in it. It's really pretty. It actually goes in the dark, I'm not lying, but I can't really show you right now. I'll probably show you at the end of the video, probably. Who knows? So, this is the first slime. I have like 6 or 7 slimes here. Besides the other one, this one. Okay, so these are really pretty slimes, and they make me actually really happy when I'm very mad. They make me really calm. And they can do swirlies a lot too. So yeah. And don't worry, I am wearing my pajama pants. So let's move on to the next one. So guys, this is I just scoot up. This is the second one. Yeah, I didn't know what it was for a second. So yeah. This is a really pretty blue one. I'm not gonna lie, it's really pretty. So yeah, look at it, it's super pretty. And I call it Under the Sea because of Ariel. Looks like it really popped now. Oh, and this one's not really as good because it's pretty sticky and it's really big to do swirlies with. But I'll try. This one's not really good at swirlies, so yeah, as you can tell, it's not really good at swirlies. So yeah. Woo! Oh my god! Okay, sorry for the tap and all the blooper type things. So guys, let's actually move on to the third one. So guys, this is the third one. It's really small and kind of like, it feels wet, but it's actually not wet. But it's actually kind of sticky though. That's the only bad part about it. I might just grab some contact solution, but I actually not because I'll just waste my time. Because I have to go somewhere, I think, today. I don't know. Or I might have to eat later because we might have tacos today. So, yeah. This one's really good. It is not as good as the first one to do swirlies, but it is pretty good. As you can tell. It's really good. And it's one of my favorites, but it's really small, which is not really good to me. It's a day old. I just made it yesterday, so it's super nice. I like the fish bowls in it. That's the only part that I really like about it. So it's just regular white. So guys, it's kind of sticky, yeah. Oh, sorry guys. Let's move on to the next one. So guys, this is the fourth one. It's a purple. It's like a really pretty one actually. So really pretty purple. It's like a metallic-ish. On camera, it looks like blue to me. Oh, it's super pretty. Okay. Hi. Yeah, I just like wearing my pajama pants because I got slime on them all earlier today, so there's one less slime. Because I tried to make it, but it didn't really work out too well because I didn't have enough contact solution. And then I accidentally slipped in it, and it went all over my good clothes. So yeah. Oh my god, I got on my legs. No, there's already slime on my leggings. And that's okay, right? It's fine. It'll come out. It's made with glue and contact solution and shaving cream and glitter and paint and pigment. So let's move on to the next one. So guys, this is the 5th one. This is a really good one. So, it's one of my favorites because it's like a blossomish. It's like really light, but it looks like white on camera, which is really bad because it's super pretty and it has just a little bit of black glitter because some blossoms actually have black on them, which is really pretty. And it's one of my favorites because it pokes really nicely. Oh, there was a weird bead in it. ABC bead. Weird. That was an ABC bead. It said B on it. Why is there a B on it? Yeah, I played with that one for a little bit. So guys, let's go on to my next one. So this is one of the biggest ones, and this is the 6th one. It's really big too, which is really nice. Oh my gosh, it's so big. I don't know how I get this. And there's blue glitter at the bottom. I didn't know that. It's jiggly too, and it's really cold since it's been out in my playroom. So, this is really good time. Okay. This is a really good one. I don't know why I go like this so long. It's just for some reason. Did you hear that? It goes like. It's really good. Oh, not sticking. Okay, so it almost went on my pants. Okay. Okay, so guys, let's just go on to my 7th one. Oh, whoops, I got stuck a little bit on me. Okay, boop, boop. So let's go on to my 7th one. So guys, this is the finale. And it's big slime. Oh, whoops, I almost dropped it. So, let's go. This is a lot of slime. It's a lot of slime, okay. It might not look like a lot. It's like 10 or 12 pounds. Like a normal baby size. Yeah, it feels like heavier than a baby. It feels like 15 pounds. Whatever! And it does have a lot of fishbowl beads. I think I used all my fishbowl beads in this. I don't know where my other really big one went, but it was super big. It was bigger than this one, and I don't know where it went, but yeah. It's whatevs. So, oh, fishbowl bead. Yeah, I think I used most of my contact solution on this, and I only used a little bit for each one. This was like a whole load of it. Like, I used more. It's kind of overactivated, but yeah. And yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. And I love you guys. Bye!